Hey, it's Mike. I'd like to talk about Genesis Healthcare. The stock trades on the NYC under symbol GEN. This stock was up about a little under 1%, up to $1.03. It did move up a couple of cents afterwards, up to $1.05. So, a lot of people in the comment section always ask me, find me that $1 stock that's going to double. That looks like it's going to double. And I think out of all the stocks I've been looking about at the $1 level, I think Genesis Healthcare has a pretty good chance of doubling pretty quickly over the next couple of months, and I'll explain why. So first of all, let's go ahead and take a look at 1 month chart. This stock has definitely popped through that $1 share level, and more importantly, it has maintained its price above $1 share, and I think that really sets it up to make its move up to $2. I see this with hundreds of stocks, that stocks are able to break through $1 share and hold above $1 share, make a pretty fast move up to $2 a share because it starts getting on some people's radars, and then if the stock can break through the $2 share barrier, then even more buyers come in, and it takes that stock up to the $5 share level. If it could break through $5 a share, then it's really off to the races because then you start to see some bigger buyers coming in. So I really like, first of all, that Genesis Healthcare has broken through the $1 level, maintained above the $1 level, even as small caps have been selling off in the past week. So I think it's definitely set itself up to take off and perhaps double within the next couple of months. So let's go ahead and look at what the company does. The company is involved in short-term and long-term nursing care. They have 350 centers across 25 states. In addition to our long stay and short-term care services, we offer specialized Alzheimer's care, orthopedic rehabilitation, ventilator care, dialysis care, assisted senior living services. So as you probably know, the population is aging in the United States. So any business that's involved with elder care is going to be growing over the next decade. So I do think Genesis Healthcare will be higher over the next decade. But I also think there's another factor we have to consider, and that has to deal with the virus, COVID-19, is that even though a lot of people are being vaccinated and things are going to return to normal, there have been studies that people who did suffer from COVID and recovered ended up having permanent damage to their lungs. And that permanent damage, we don't know what's going to happen yet, but it is anticipated that people who did recover but did sustain damage to their lungs may end up having to go back to the hospital or see their health deteriorate. And so if you can imagine, if you were over the age of, let's say, 70 or 65, and you got COVID and you got sick, but you recovered, you may end up still having respiratory issues, and that may necessitate you either having to go into some short-term care to maybe be put on a ventilator or go into long-term care. And because of that, I do think Genesis Healthcare is going to be well positioned. I think overall it's just a company that will be much higher over the next decade, and it could see some short-term momentum if we see a lot of elderly people need like respiratory care over the next 12 months. So you're looking for that $1 stock that can become a $2 or $5 stock pretty quick. I definitely think you should put Genesis Healthcare on your radar. Once again, Genesis Healthcare trades on the NYC under symbol GEN. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.